Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm Miss Lisa, and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about everything I want to, science and math. And what we're going to do today is just graph some sort of fancy things for Algebra 2, rational functions. They make interesting shapes, these equations, and this is real easy. Turn on your calculator, go to y equals, and we just have to put it in exactly as written. Now, you either have to use the alpha y equals shortcut like that to do numerator and denominator, or else you have to put these in parentheses. Okay, so that's your big takeaway here. So it's x plus 2 in the numerator, go down, x minus 2 in the denominator, minus in the middle, so you're going to use this one. Okay, I know I was messing with my window with the last video, so I'm going to get a standard window. I'm going to go to Zoom 6, and let's see how it looks. Whee! Some more fun with sound effects. Yay! So there it is. Now, if you have an old 83, 82, you get that line there, which kind of shows the asymptote. You don't get that on the 84. One way you can tell where the asymptote is to go to second graph to table, and where it's not defined is where the asymptotes could be. And there it is. See where the error is for 2? So we know that's an asymptote. And of course we can tell by looking at that, because 2 minus 2 is 0, and we can't divide by 0. We will break time and space if we divide by 0. Actually, we would be violating the law of conservation of mass and energy, because you can't make matter go away. And if you divide by 0, you're making stuff go away, and you can't do that. You can't cut a cake into 0 pieces. Even if you don't cut it, you'd have one piece. Now, so anyway, that's what you'll be doing. So you're going to be graphing these. Just type them in exactly, and it's a lot of fun. All right? Like, share, subscribe. Oh, let me tell you one other thing, though. How do you, okay, so you're in college algebra, and you graph this. How do you get this to a graph that your teacher is going to accept? Okay, first of all, you've got to get arrows on the ends of your x and y axis. You've got to put arrowheads on the ends of these lines. Otherwise, you have not graphed lines, you have graphed line segments. Okay, the next thing is you have to have an if-then chart. You can get your if-then chart by doing second graph, and you can put that down, or you can get your if-then chart by doing trace, and that gives you points. So if x is 0, y is -1. If x is 1, I hit 1, it tells me that y is -3. If x is -1, y is -1/3. And you only need a few points on each side. So then you can use your arrow keys, zip around, get up here, get some more points. And I like the trace one better because I'm a very visual person. My sons like the table function better to go get their points. So whichever one you like. All right. And then you'll have a nice, pretty graph that your college teacher will take, or your Algebra 2 teacher, or your pre-calculus teacher. All right. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time, and we'll do some more fun math.